last stand.
Tornado emergency for Delaware and Philadelphia counties. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for eastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near 14 miles southeast of Plutonium and was moving south at 80 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Delaware and Philadelphia counties. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include downtown Philadelphia and Bay City. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly
for the DQ chicken strip basket, but it's only for a limited time?
Let's go get it right now.
I'm driving.